Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the classification of angles and now we will discuss what are adjacent angles. What is adjacent? Meaning of adjacent. The literal meaning of word adjacent is side by side. Adjacent means side by side. You must have seen adjacent sides, adjacent walls, adjacent boundaries, etc. Similarly, in case of angles, we can define adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are those angles if they have a common vertex. If two angles have common vertex, then these are known as adjacent angles. And if they have common arm and the angles lie on either side of the common arm. If they have common vertex, two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex, common arm, and the angles lie on either side of the common arm. Either side means opposite sides. For example, one angle is this and one is this. These angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex. Yes, they have a common vertex. And if they have common arm, yes, they have a common arm. Both angles have a common arm, and angles lie on the either side of the common arm. And yes, the angles lie on either side of the common arm, that is opposite sides. One is here and another is here. Okay, so these angles are adjacent angles. These three conditions are must to satisfy that two angles are adjacent. You have to remember these three conditions: common vertex, common arm, and angles lie on either side of the common arm. Next is example. Study the figures given below. Verify if they are adjacent angles. We have to verify whether they are adjacent or not. In this example, the figure is AOD and DOB. These angles are adjacent angles because angle AOD and angle DOB, because they have a common side, that is common arm OD. OD is common arm, and there is a common vertex O, and the angles lie on either side of the common arm OD. One angle is this and another is this. So these three conditions are satisfying, so these are adjacent angles. In next example, one is this angle and another is this angle. These are not adjacent angles because they have common vertex O, but there is no common arm. Okay, so these are not adjacent angles. Next example is this example. In this example, one angle is this and one angle is this. These are also not adjacent angles because they do not have common vertex. So these are not adjacent angles. In the same way, you can solve another examples. In this example, R angle POQ and QOR. POQ is angle this, POQ, and QOR is this angle. Okay, we have to verify that they are adjacent or not. Yes, these angles are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O, common arm OQ, and angles lie on either side of the common arm OQ. So these are adjacent angles. Okay, in the same way you can verify another examples. Thank you.